Hello, everybody. My name is Jordan Spradlin, and I'm the Sustainability Coordinator at Central Washington University, which is over in Ellensburg, Washington. And I'm excited to kick us off and talk to you about our plans to handle our organic waste going forward with our Wildcat Compost Collective. Now, composting, of course, is not a new solution to handling organic waste, and it's not new to the discussion at CWU either. Ever since our Wildcat farm was founded in the fall of 2018, and it was turned from a parking lot to our campus farm, composting has been something that we actively sought out getting to the farm. With the help of our first sustainability coordinator, in the winter of 2020, we are ready to release our request for proposals. And then you might know spring 2020 rolls around and COVID comes and hits us pretty hard. And it put a pause on our project initially. But while we were paused on our project, we were able to take a step back and look at climate action planning at the university as a whole. So we collaborated with over 30 different partners to develop a climate action plan, and that has 17 different focus areas, including one of our focus areas being our commitment to waste diversion, with that goal being to reduce and divert 25% of all of our waste generated on campus by 2030. Now, 2030 is truly not that far away, and we are not where we need to be. We are still the largest waste generator in Kittitas County, generating over 220 tons of waste just from our student union and recreation center alone. We also lack any local infrastructure or any access to compost anything beyond yard waste, so all of our food waste is still sitting in our landfill. And lately, we have seen reduced funding opportunities for projects such as this. So our solution to this is to invest and install in a commercial-sized composter at the Wildcat farm. This will help us reach that 25% diversion, and truly without it, we will struggle, especially by 2030, to hit that 25%. After some research, we settled on the 40-foot by 12-foot earthflow composting unit from Green Mountain Technologies. We settled on this because of its ability to be an enclosed system. We do have some harsh winds in Ellensburg that make traditional composting a little bit more challenging. We are, after all, an educational institution with students, and the farm is open to the public, so any kind of hazard mitigation that we can do and odor control is also really important for us. The other thing about this unit specifically is that it does have the capacity to handle all of the food waste that we will generate on campus. It can handle up to 1,000 pounds of food waste daily, and we're looking at generating about 780 pounds a day. Luckily, this is not necessarily a project that the Sustainability Office is taking on alone. We have some great partners on campus. Our dining services team is currently helping us run an education campaign on what is currently compostable so that when this does come to campus, our students are ready. We also, of course, are always in talks with the Wildcat Farm, and they're excited about this opportunity to bring composting in-house, as well as our grounds and our capital planning. We're in talks with them about the construction purposes, of course, but grounds currently purchases compost from a third party, so they're excited to have that come from in-house as well. Beyond our campus partners, we are talking with all of our community members that live around the Wildcat Farm so that they're aware that this might be coming and that they're all on board with this. For the city of Ellensburg, we talked to them for our permitting reasons, but also if this is a successful program, what might expansion look like? Would that be a secondary unit to offer this to the local community? So we're always talking with them as well. Overall, why we need to do this is it would help us save $25,000 a year from those waste management tipping fees, as well as those compost purchases, both for the Wildcat Farm and our grounds. We also see a couple new value streams coming from this opportunity. Of course, we're open to selling our compost for some revenue once we know exactly how much the Wildcat Farms and Grounds is going to be using. And with some research and given the high quality compost around, we're looking at selling that about $80 a cubic yard. We're also excited about the opportunity to improve soil quality. Wildcat Farm was a parking lot, so any chance we can get to improve that soil quality and yields for dining is an exciting opportunity. And after all, we are an educational institution, so that opportunity to offer students more opportunities to learn about sustainable agriculture and circular dining is fantastic. Overall, we're asking for $500,000 in capital cost funding from a network of funders, whether that be private equity, upcoming grant opportunities, or matching funds, looking to cover site infrastructure, utility costs, and equipment. So I really hope you join us in not only helping us divert our organic waste, but helping grow the next crop of sustainable leaders from CWU. Thank you.